great I am, and we will live in the light of the risen Lamb. See over there, there's a mansion all prepared just for me, where I will live with my Savior eternally, and there will be no more night. Never crying again, and we will sing praises to the great I am. We will live in the light of the risen Lamb. I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. I gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Oh, I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing. Always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Oh, it's all about the climb. He that finds a wife finds a good thing. Amen. Compliment what she does. Send her roses just because. If it's violence she loves, let them play. Oh yeah, dedicate her favorite song and hold her closer all night long. Love her today, find 100 ways. Being cool won't help you keep your love warm. You just blow your chance. Take the time to open up your heart. That's the secret of romance. Yeah, 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 yeah. A sacrifice if you care. Buy some moonlight to wear. If it's one more star she wants, go on, on, on. If she wants to pay, find 100 ways. Love her while you get the chance. I'm telling you that you gotta love her today. Find 100 ways. A happy wife is a happy life. I'm telling you, love, love, love her. Find 100 ways. Yeah, 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 yeah. Save the day. Listen as your day unfolds. Try to do your most. Try to keep your head up to the sky. Lovers, they may cause you tears. Go ahead, release your fears. Stand up and be counted. Don't be ashamed to cry. You gotta be bad. You gotta be bold. You gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard. You gotta be tough. You gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool. You gotta be calm. You gotta stay together. All I know, love will save the day. Time makes no question, it goes on without you, leaving you behind if you can't stand the pace. This world keeps on spinning, you can't stop it if you try to. The best part is danger staring you in the face. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love will save the day. Everybody's looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete. You'll find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the faces of their children, and some find it in your lover's eyes. Who can deny the joy it brings when you find that special thing? You're flying without wings. So
let us hear from the. Let's start with Elaine. Yes, Elaine.
Wanna get up again? Get up again! Yes! Sherlon, this is your moment. Stand in it. Know that it is God-given. This is your appointed time to shine. And look how brightly you are shining. I am so proud of you. You spoke to me yesterday about, not knowing being sure about how to be. And, I'm a little awkward. I don't know how to present myself. Present yourself just like that, and people will stand and applaud. Great job. Welcome to Rising Star Season 16. What a voice.
Anthony.
Yes.
Yeah, well, I don't know about God-given and all of that, but, there's a gentle, sensitive quality And there is a way that you connect with the audience in your very sort of inimitable way. It's very quiet. It's almost soft, but it's very nice. You should have been in the top 10 from the very go. Sometimes we get it wrong, but we've made that correction now, and I'm looking forward to more performances.
All right. Conroy.
Yeah. Sherlon, for such a time as this, have you come?
Yes.
And it's so important because this is the first performance of the night that has really shown the growth and the building right to the end. It was beautiful. You weren't doing much. It's not as though you were moving up and down all over the stage, but we felt the power of your energy, and we saw the beauty in your sound, and the notes were perfect. You were just awesome.
Thank
If our love was a fairy tale, I would charge it and rescue you. On a yacht, baby, we would sail to an island where we'd say I do. And if we had babies, they would look like you. It'd be so beautiful if that came true. You don't even know how very special you are. You leave me breathless. You're everything good in my life. You leave me breathless. I still can't believe that you're mine. You just walked out of one of my dreams. So beautiful, you're leaving me breathless.
From heaven to earth to change me.
You must be an angel.
And I feel it's stronger than love, believe me.
You're something special.
I only hope one day I deserve what you give me.
All I can do is try all the day of my life. You leave me breathless. You leave me. You leave me. You just walked out of one of my dreams. So beautiful, you're leaving me breathless. When I find myself in times of trouble, God is always there for me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness,
He is always right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be.
Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be.
And though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see.
There will be an answer, let it be.
Let it be, oh,
Let it be.
God. Oh, let it be.
There will be an answer, let it be.
Let it be.
Let it be.
There will be an answer. Let it be. Everybody's looking for that something. one thing that makes it all complete. You'll find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the faces of their children, some find it in their lovers' eyes. But who can deny the joy it brings when you find that special thing? You're flying without wings. So impossible as they may seem, you've got to fight for every dream. 'Cause those don't know which one you let go would have made you complete. But for me it's to say I love you. That is flying without wings. 'Cause you're my special thing. I'm flying without wings.
Hi there, I'm Simon Preston from TVJ. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. To see our latest videos and also to see live events, click here. To see our full videos on onespotmedia.com, click here. Thank you very much for watching.